Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, I'll show you how to change brightness on Windows 11 easily, and now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store from your taskbar or Start menu. This is where you can download apps that help enhance your Windows experience. Step 2. Click the search bar at the top and type Twinkle Tray, then click Install. This app allows you to control your screen brightness more precisely. Step 3. Click the Show Hidden Icons button on the taskbar, then locate and click the Twinkle Tray icon. This is where you access the brightness controls quickly. Step 6. Adjust the brightness using the pop-up. You can control each monitor individually, which is helpful if you're using multiple screens. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips.